Hello guys, welcome to my channel Legit Online Earning, and today's video is about CoinMarketCal. You probably heard of it, CoinMarketCal. This is coinmarketcal.com. It's not CoinMarketCap, it's coinmarketcal.com. Cal means you can nickname the calendar maybe. Okay, so basically this website gives you the events, gives you the future events which are going to happen. For example, here you can see 15th BNB burn. It's on trending and 7,000 views. Let's check it. This one, and this one says the Ethereum maybe 87% votes for this. Let's check it. This as well, Berlin hard fork, and this one is 24 upcoming events. So you can research. You have 3 tabs here. Highlights. Okay, it gives you the highlights like the trending, the significant, the hot one. Okay, with the right side you can check the sources. You can give the plus or the real or fake one, which one you feel. So let's take a look at the show more. Let's check the trending section. So in the trending section we have got Ethereum, BNB, EGLT. Let's check this one, and this one says the Hoodies Finance. Let's check this one as well. Big one listing, Venus 2. So you've got a lot of things here. Okay, you can check the on the day, because a lot of coins move, their prices move with the news and stuff like that. So first thing, let me check this one I was looking, yeah, that one, the listing, this one. Okay, this one is already on the trading view, so let me check the ELD USDT pair. It's okay. So this coin was launched in, let's take a look at the monthly one. So you see this month this coin was launched back in 1st September 20. Okay, and this has risen to approximately 2000%. It was at $5 and it now at $215. So let's take a look how this coin is performing. It's performing very well. It's at almost near the resistance, and if it bounces back from here we can see a rally. We can see a rally upwards like this one maybe, or it can also go if it breaks down below this one. So we might see some retracement here like this one here. So basically I was looking for the ELG. So what this is that internet scale value swaps. Internet scale value swaps begin with an epic token distribution. Owners will be able to claim max tokens. So what it means that if you hold this coin, okay, EGLD coin, you are going to claim MEX tokens. So indirectly people are going to buy EGLD. Buying means the price of the token is gonna get high. So what's the proof? You can click on the proof, and here you go. Lucian Minku, I don't spell it right, sorry for the bad language. Introducing the Mayor Exchange, the ultimate AMM global near instant. Okay, the 19th of April, the first snapshot. Get your e-gold ready. So they say that 19th of April they're gonna take the first snapshot. So what's the source? We're gonna check the source as well. Let's take a look at the source. So is it really going to give us the thing we are looking for? Meet the Mayor Exchange DeFi for the next billion. Internet scale value swaps begin with an epic token distribution. Okay, 100% of supply distributed to the company. Okay, so what people are saying about this thing is, let's take a look. Okay, you can read the rest on your own. I'm just trying to. You also want to have e-gold. I put my referring link. Okay, so thing is, you can get MEX tokens, and this is basically I wanted to let you know how you can easily check the events which are coming in the CoinMarketCal. And this one is also Hoodies Finance. Okay, Hoodies Finance, view the coin on the let's take a look at this coin. Is it available on the, yeah, they say this coin is Hoodie at Hoodie Finance. And let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. And what is the name? Hoodie Hog or Hoodie, I don't know, it's like Dogi Finance. Okay, Hoodie Finance. And this coin is also on 90,000 people's watch list, and it released on 15th of February 2021. Okay, that's good. And what is the supply? Again, the thing is maximum supply. The supply is too much. Damn, that's too much supply. But what is the event we are looking here? The event. So event is here, big one listing, big one list Hoagie with 2 trading pairs. Okay, it's going to be listed on 16th of April, and today is the 13th of April, so we might see some you know, spike in the price. And what is where they are currently looking to, yeah, they are exchanging or trading at 1 inch and Uniswap. So that's it. So basically this is the CoinMarketCap. You can check the coins as well if I want to. So for example, let's take a look at the, you want to, you know, check the coin on the basis of let's see, if we search for Wink, oh sorry, for example, if we search here Wink, yeah, it is coming on the search. I'm gonna click on it. So guys, this is it. I have tried to, let's, for example, if you want to look for the Wink, I have done it for that. And here in the bottom you can see Wink. Wink have the upcoming programs like 30 June. They have big programs coming soon. Sports industry development, token case use. So they have a lot of things to come. Let's take the source as well. I'm gonna see the source as well. This is the proof. So basically Wink is a long-term coin. If you want to buy, you can buy, but you have to hold it for some time. Like this, you see the roadmap of Wink. If we go to the website of Wink.org, we're gonna have a look at the, let's take a look at Wink, sorry, Wink.org. Okay, so what this is the roadmap Q2 of the 2021. So they have a lot of things to come, so we have to wait for it. And this is Wink. This is a gaming website, just like a gambling website, casino website. So it has a lot of things. So this is basically Wink is also on the BSC chain and on the token burn. Let's take out the Tron X. So this is the amount which has been burned. So more amount burn, the more the price will be. So this was just a little overview for the CoinMarketCap. So good to use, good thing if we want to check for the other coins, like if we want to look at the Cardano. Let's take a look at the Cardano. If we look at here, ADA, okay, I think this is this, not misspelling it right, let me check, Cardano, and then we're gonna go to research. That's it. So Cardano is coming up with this Olonzo testnet. Okay, so there are a lot of other coins. I'm gonna untick and we're gonna check for the any coin you want to name. For example, TRX. Okay, I'm looking for the TRX coin and I'm gonna uncheck the Cardano, and then I'm gonna check that as well. I'm gonna click on the research, and then no upcoming events for TRX right now. No events for TRX, unchecked. Now we're gonna look for the polka dot. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna click on the research. So it has got a lot of events coming. Polka dot on the decoded token minting. It means more tokens are going to be minted. Okay, and these are the dates and sources as well. You can check the sources, you can check the proofs. So that's all. If you want to use the full coin market cal, you must use it. It gives you the insights, the upcoming events, so that's good to use. That's all from my side. Bye.